I already shot this piece of dialogue, but the remote pressed itself in my pocket halfway through. So anyway, take two. I'm gonna call it a night on this one. Still pretty stuck in there. Try again later. I think I'll end up bolting them back together and hooking up my grease gun to the brake fluid port, and then we can pump that up and use hydraulic force to push both of the pistons into each other, and that should get them out far enough that we can do the rest with some hand pliers. So that'll be what you see next. And that is doing a great job. Delicious. Give the inside out pliers another turn.